Did you know that every 5 seconds someone around the world gets diagnosed with diabetes? Yes, every 5 seconds. A statistic that's as shocking as it is alarming, isn't it? This silent pandemic is sweeping across nations, irrespective of age, sex, or social strata. Diabetes, in its various forms and disguises, is becoming an unwelcome guest in too many of our homes. There are different types of diabetes, each with its unique set of symptoms. The most common ones are type 1, where your body doesn't produce insulin, and type 2, where your body doesn't use insulin properly. Prediabetes, where blood sugar levels are higher than normal, and gestational diabetes, which occurs during pregnancy, are also prevalent. Common symptoms include frequent urination, unquenchable thirst, and unexplained weight loss. Yet these symptoms are just the tip of the iceberg. But the real danger lies in the long-term complications that diabetes can cause. Diabetes is often called a silent disease because it stealthily leads to serious complications. Let's delve into the 3 main complications that can arise from diabetes: heart disease, stroke, and eye problems. Imagine a quiet enemy lurking in the shadows, slowly chipping away at your health. That's diabetes. It's a silent, persistent threat that can lead to serious health issues if left unchecked. This enemy doesn't just attack one area of your body, it targets multiple fronts. Firstly, there's heart disease. With diabetes, the likelihood of developing heart disease significantly increases. The excess sugar in your blood can damage your blood vessels and nerves that control your heart. So the heart, the very engine of our bodies, could be at risk. Next, there's the threat of stroke. A stroke occurs when the blood supply to the brain is interrupted, often due to a clot. Diabetes makes this more likely because high blood sugar levels can cause clots to form more easily. Imagine a river flowing smoothly, suddenly blocked by a dam. That's what a stroke is like, only the river is your blood and the dam is the clot. Finally, we have eye problems. Diabetes can lead to conditions like diabetic retinopathy, where the blood vessels in the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye, are damaged. It's like having a camera, but the film is constantly foggy. Over time, this can lead to blurred vision and even blindness. You see, diabetes doesn't just knock on your door and announce its arrival. It creeps in silently, leading to these complications gradually. It's a quiet threat, but a serious one. But don't be disheartened. Knowledge is power, and understanding these risks is the first step towards managing them. By knowing how diabetes can affect your heart, brain, and eyes, you're already on the path to safeguarding your health. Now, let's dive into how diabetes can lead to these complications. The road to complications starts with high blood sugar levels. Imagine a busy highway, a constant stream of cars racing along, no speed limits, no checks. This is what high blood sugar levels are like in your body. They rush around unchecked, wreaking havoc wherever they go and the destination. Complications. Serious ones that affect vital organs like your heart, your brain, and your eyes. High blood sugar levels can damage your blood vessels. Just like a road full of potholes, damaged blood vessels make it hard for blood to flow smoothly. This can lead to heart disease. When blood vessels become narrow or blocked, your heart muscle doesn't get enough oxygen-rich blood. This can cause chest pain, a heart attack, or even heart failure. But the road doesn't stop there. High blood sugar levels can also lead to stroke. When blood vessels in the brain are damaged or blocked, it can cause a stroke. The symptoms can be sudden and severe, such as trouble speaking, paralysis or numbness on one side of the body, or severe headaches. Now let's switch lanes and talk about your eyes. High blood sugar levels can damage the tiny blood vessels in your eyes too. This can lead to a range of eye problems. It can cause diabetic retinopathy, a condition where the blood vessels in the retina are damaged. This can lead to blurry vision, floaters, and even blindness. It can also cause glaucoma, where the pressure builds up in the eye, damaging the optic nerve and leading to vision loss. So you see, high blood sugar levels are like reckless drivers on the road to complications. They can cause heart disease, stroke, and various eye problems, turning your body into a battlefield. So, how can we stop this from happening? Well, that's the question we'll tackle in the next part of the journey. So, buckle up as we navigate the road to a healthier future, free from the long-term complications of diabetes. To prevent these complications, we need to keep our blood sugar levels under control. This is our starting point, and it's a crucial one. In the grand scheme of things, monitoring blood sugar levels is like keeping an eye on the dashboard of your car. If the engine light comes on, you know something's wrong and needs to be addressed. The same applies to your blood sugar levels. They're your body's dashboard. Now, let's break down the 3 pillars of blood sugar control: diet, exercise, and medication. Starting with diet, it's not just about cutting out sweets or avoiding sugar, it's about balance. Think of your diet as a symphony, where every element plays its part. Proteins, fibers, fats, and yes, even carbs have their place. The key is to consume these in moderation and opt for healthier choices. Next, we have exercise. Regular physical activity can help your body use insulin more effectively. It's like a natural booster for your body's sugar control mechanism. You don't need to run a marathon. Simple activities like walking, cycling, or even gardening can make a significant difference. The third pillar, medication, is just as important, especially for those who have been diagnosed with diabetes. Medication can help keep your blood sugar levels within a healthy range. But remember, medication isn't a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. It's a part of the total package. Now, you might be thinking, I've got this. It's just diet, exercise, and medication. But let me tell you, it's more than that. It's about consistency. It's about making these pillars a part of your daily routine, not just a one-time thing. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. So, yes, keeping your blood sugar levels under control is essential, but it's not just about avoiding complications. It's about embracing a healthier lifestyle that benefits every aspect of your well-being. But that's not all. There's more to prevention than meets the eye. Creating a healthier future involves more than just controlling blood sugar levels. Let's delve into why that is. Picture your body as a complex, interconnected system. When one part is out of balance, it can affect the whole. Diabetes, for instance, can lead to complications affecting your heart, eyes, and overall well-being. So how do we keep this intricate system in check? Regular checkups play a crucial role. It's like getting your car serviced, but instead of oil changes and tire rotations, we're looking at heart health, eye health, and general wellness. These checkups allow your healthcare team to spot any potential issues early and take action. They can monitor your cholesterol, blood pressure, and kidney function, all of which can be affected by diabetes. They can also keep an eye on your vision, as diabetes can lead to serious eye conditions like retinopathy. But it's not just about what your healthcare team can do. It's also about the changes you can make in your everyday life. Think of it as a team effort. Stress management is key. When you're stressed, your blood sugar levels can rise, making diabetes harder to control. So finding ways to relax and unwind is essential. Whether it's yoga, meditation, or just a quiet walk in the park, find what works for you. And let's not forget about quitting smoking. Smoking can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. And if you're living with diabetes, your risk is already higher than most. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do to protect your health. So when it comes to a healthier future, it's about more than numbers on a glucose meter. It's about regular checkups, healthy lifestyle changes, and taking control of your well-being. Remember, living with diabetes doesn't mean you have to live with these complications. It's about taking control and creating a healthier future. So what have we learned today about diabetes and its long-term complications? We've journeyed through the hidden storm of diabetes, recognizing it as a silent killer that can pave the road to severe complications if left unchecked. It's clear that blood sugar control is crucial. Regular monitoring can help ensure your levels are within a healthy range, reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and eye problems. We've also seen the importance of regular checkups. Frequent medical appointments allow for early detection and treatment of potential complications, making the difference between manageable conditions and life-threatening situations. Moreover, lifestyle changes are key. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management can significantly lessen the risk of complications, promoting a healthier future. Remember, prevention is indeed better than cure. By taking proactive steps to manage your diabetes, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Take control of your diabetes today and build a future free from complications.